Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Oanda Forex Trading app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Oanda is a global Forex and CFD trading platform designed for both new and experienced traders. Known for its strong regulatory background and transparent pricing structure, Oanda allows users to trade major currency pairs, commodities, indices, and more. The app is available on both iOS and Android and integrates seamlessly with Oanda's web platform as well as MetaTrader 4 for users who prefer advanced charting and automated strategies. The app's main features include real-time Forex data, customizable charts, dozens of technical indicators, fast trade execution, and flexible order types such as limit, stop, and trailing stops. Users can also access historical exchange rate data, set price alerts, and manage multiple trading accounts. Oanda additionally offers a practice demo account, allowing beginners to train without risking real money. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Oanda's reliable charting tools, easy-to-navigate interface, and highly accurate pricing data. Its low minimum deposits and fast withdrawals also make it appealing to everyday traders. The app is praised for stability, intuitive layout, and consistent performance during market volatility. However, there are some drawbacks. Certain advanced features, such as automated trading, require integration with external platforms like MT4. Some users also report occasional delays in chart refreshing or order execution during high-volume market events. Additionally, Oanda's available instruments and leverage limits vary by region due to regulatory rules, which may restrict certain trading options for some users. In summary, the Oanda app may be worth using if you want a secure, regulated Forex trading platform with strong charting tools, transparent pricing, and a beginner-friendly interface. However, if you require extensive automation, broader CFD options, or region-specific leverage flexibility, you may find limitations compared to other brokers. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.